These are the new Yeetonda Y77 Bluetooth headphones. What's up guys, this is Eddie Art from the Gogetyours review channel, asking everyone to please support this channel by subscribing and clicking that bell notification option. It would be humbly appreciated. So before we get into the unboxing, I just want to quickly give a shout out to Here Yeetonda for not only sending us this product today, but for also wishing us a personalised Happy New Year on the outside of the box. Very nice. We are very much thankful for this, and well, I just hope that after testing this product out, that it does live up to the expectations, really. So yeah guys, this video is not sponsored, and well, let's go right in, shall we? Now initially, they are advertised as being active noise cancelling, having a massive 30 hours battery life. Obviously, we will be testing this aspect out, using 100% volume consistently, and they are also stated to be designed to provide deep bass. Inside, we do get a hard shell, but soft feeling matte black zip carry case. The same kind we have previously seen on the Mixida E9s and the Outtakes 918s. Opening up the case, we do have the headphones that sit very well protected in that nice feeling fabricated enclosure. To the top we have a simplistic but detailed user manual, a micro USB charge cable. I actually would have preferred it to be a Type-C, but we do get a 3.5mm straight to 3.5mm audio cable. Now, most of the headset is indeed made from ABS plastic. Although the headset itself has a black plain natural look, I do like those shiny vinyl discs on the side of those 40mm driver units, especially with that chrome edge detail. Very nice. They are fully extendable, those oval drivers do rotate and swivel. They are totally flexible, that will not only fit any size head, but will also stay locked in place when they're on your head, resulting in some good comfort, and that do initially provide very good basic sound seal too. And although those PU leather earpads do feel quite plush, I would have preferred slightly thicker pads, but nonetheless, the inner foam padding is real thick, with the left and right icons printed upon them, with a handsome amount of padding around that headband too. Now, all the function controls are solely positioned and well situated on the rear of that right hand driver unit. They are great for blindly locating them when the headset's on your head, with such features like play pause call answering, the previous and next track selection, which also acts as your volume up and down controls, with voice assistant activation after holding down that power button for 2 seconds. As well as these controls, we do have a LED indicator, a 3.5mm audio port, yes, that dated micro USB charge port for charging, which by the way, will only take 2 hours 40 minutes to charge these headphones from flat. Nope, not the 3 hours that was stated, which is quite pleasing. And yes, lastly, we have the only microphone, which is backed up with that CVC 8.0 microphone technology. Now guys, this is your only microphone with this headset, and when you do indeed plug that 3.5mm cable in, the microphone will not work and it will be rendered useless. So yes, the microphone will indeed only work when it's in the wireless mode only, I'm afraid. Now the ANC mode does work when it's switched on. Okay, it won't block out voices or noises around you, it will just simply more or less make the sound around you sound a little lighter, as it is only using that one single pin microphone to basically adapt the sound. And as well as that, with that mode switched on, it will not only use more battery life, but the sound levels will also be adapted too. Basically, the audio won't sound as good as it would do in normal mode. Alrighty then, we have gone ahead and tested these Yeetonda headphones out over the past week or so let's just start with the audio quality. Now when it comes to the bass, this is the real shocker. Wow, the bass is real good. It has some impactful smooth flowing bass, not too overpowering, with treble that sits high and adds a real good kick. The only level that seems a bit overpowering at times is the midtones, with the Yeetonda Y77s having a high reach. Now yes, you can drop that volume just a bit, or simply adjust your device's equalizer. Now we personally did do that with our mobile phone, and the audio did sit nice and silky smooth. And because we've been blasting these headphones out for a good number of hours on end, the headphones never made our ears feel painful or sweaty, maybe just a bit hot at times, after tirelessly testing them out for ourselves. Out of the 30 hours that were stated on the back of the box and in the specifications, well, we did in fact only get 23 hours music playback time. This is while using 100% volume consistently. And after using the headphones for that amount of time, I've got to be truly honest guys, my ears have been left with ringing noises. I just hope you guys appreciate the effort. No, but seriously, I do think that the audio was way better than I expected. These Y77s do have good polarity, and you don't lose any of the audio quality when switching them from wireless mode, inserting that 3.5mm audio cable, and then using them wired. Oh yeah, forgot to say,
when it comes to using that built-in microphone on this headset, well, the microphone quality itself is pretty good. It's nice and crystal clear without any latency issues whatsoever. The only thing we have noticed is that the background noise is somewhat very much picked up, I'm afraid. So yes, when you're in a room and there's noise in the background and you're making a call, expect them to hurt everyone around you. Yeah. What are you looking at?
So yes, today these Yeetonda Y77s do retail at £58. That's around 80 in US dollars, and we are in fact going to give them an 8 out of 10. But guys, let us know, what do you think about these headphones today? Are they really worth the £60 price mark? Get commenting in the comment section, but while you're down there, I have left a link for these headphones. Check it out for yourselves, and if you've liked what you've seen today, well, why not go get yours? Now, I'd very much appreciate the support if you go ahead and like and share this video today. Please subscribe to this channel, I'd very much appreciate it, as well as hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. And it's been great reviewing this headset today, and we hope to be doing a new tech review in the next few days, so stay tuned for that upload. But as usual guys, please stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!
And when it comes to the so we have listened and when it comes to using that built-in microphone, well, I've got to be quite truthful as shit. And when it everyone around you, yeah. What are you looking at? Oh shit.